Hey, sir, can you get Mama a color? Can you get the color green? Where's green? Color green. Color green. Where is it? Very good, sir. Very good. How about the color purple? Purple. Where's the color purple? Mama, get it? Got stuck. Yes. Yes, it did. Color blue. Where's the blue star? Where's the blue star? Blue. Blue star. Can you find the blue? Blue. Blue star. Color blue. Very good. How about the red? Color red. Red circle. Red. Want it? You looked at it right away. Very good. Yellow. Color yellow. Where's yellow? Where's yellow? Yellow? Get it. Get it. Get the yellow. Go ahead. Very good. Good yellow. How about color gold? Where's gold? Gold. Gold. Oops. That's pink, honey. That's pink. How about aqua? Aqua. Aqua. Octagon. Aqua. Aqua. Octagon. Orange. Orange diamond. Orange. Gonna get the orange diamond? Oh, you like that pink. That's pink. You want that all the time. How about orange? Color orange. Orange. Orange diamond. Oh, here. I'll take it away. Orange. Orange diamond. Where's the orange? Color orange. Orange diamond. You want that one or that one? Orange. Orange or orange? Here. Which one's orange? Can you get orange? Color orange. There we go. Okay, gold. Yes, you know that's gold. What color is this? Is that your favorite? Pink? Yay. Yay. Good boy. That was very good, Sir Gray. I love you. You're so smart.